Hi there, does the POCO X7 have NFC? So let's check together. Start by opening the settings on your phone. In the search bar, type in NFC and see what comes up. So I'm gonna just go in my search settings and tap NFC. And yep, I do have NFC. We can also find it in more connectivity options. And here it is. So with this feature, you can allow data exchange when this device touches another. And also you can find this feature if you scroll down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, tap on Edit, and in System Toggles you should see NFC, which you can add by tapping the plus. And from this control panel you can easily turn it on or turn it off. So when it's blue, then it is turned on. When it's gray, then it is turned off. But keep in mind that the availability of NFC can vary based on the market or region. So for example, I got global version. To check this, we can go in About, Phone tab, check Detailed Info and Specs, and then check Model. So if you can see this last G letter, then you also got global version and NFC is available for you. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.